It feels like my mommy and daddy don't love each other no more.
For real?
You know, there is a lot of distance between you two on the couch. Bernice, why don't you move closer to Jerome?
That's more like it.
There, that's better.
My daddy say they haven't kissed since their wedding day.
Ain't no way.
Is that true? Sometimes physical affection can do a lot towards making a child feel more comfortable.
Yeah.
Go ahead, Jerome, kiss Bernice.
Come on, how hard can a kiss be? Come on, Bernice.
That's you!
Man, what?
Damn, Bernice, what the hell, man?
Man, my allergies off the chain today. I don't even know.